Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a Asos haul. So I have two giant packages to go through. I think the last Asos haul we did was a few months ago for Tara's birthday. We did a sister does my Asos haul video, and then before that I think it must have been like a year or two ago we did like an ethical Asos haul. And yeah, I'm really excited to open these packages. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe for more fashion videos like these. And let's get on with this. Let's go into the first package. By the way, if you watch my vlogs, you'll know that I have pet budgies, so if you hear them tweedling, that's them saying hi. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna start with the brightest thing in the bag. It is a hot pink dress. Oh my gosh, the fabric feels beautiful already. Basically, I've been looking through thrift stores for ages for some new work dresses and I couldn't find any. So I have one dress from this brand Closet London already, and I've had it for 2 years maybe, and it's still in perfect condition. So I decided to get a couple more. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I need to go try this on. Hopefully it fits. Okay, so here is item one. I really love this dress. It's kind of too bright for the camera. It's throwing off the colors a little bit, but I think it's very me. I love pink, matches my purple hair great, fits beautifully, and I really like this ruffled detail down the front. I think it just makes like it a little bit more trendy, a little bit more fun. It's also a great length for me. I'm quite tall, I'm 5'11", so it's not too short, not showing too much. I can wear it to the office and yeah. Okay, I think we're off to a pretty good start. Let's go for this top next. This is also by Closet London. This is so exciting. Oh, I should be careful not to get too excited and cut the top rather than the plastic packaging. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So this is like a navy lace blouse, and it's got some sort of frill details across the front and on the sleeves. Hilarious story about this top. I looked at it when I was doing Tara's Asos haul and was like, oh, that's really cool, but they didn't have it in my size. And then when I looked during the sale, they had it in my size for $7. This is like a $90 top that I got for $7, so someone must have returned it and they were just trying to get rid of it, and I majorly benefited from that. So I have styled the top with my black cowtail culottes. I've tucked it in. I think it would look great with jeans also, just untucked. I really love the frilly sleeves. I think it's so fun. The only thing I have noticed putting it on, it's a very like soft lace, which is nice, but it is very like fine, so I had to be really careful not to like catch it on my ring or my bracelet or anything like that, because I feel like it could rip really easily. But it is beautiful and I think I'll get a lot of wear out of this. The next thing we have is another dress from Closet London. I did get a few things from this brand just because I love the quality, and it's all made in London, so it's ethically made, and they were having such a good sale. So I'll link that down below so you can check out that brand. Oh my gosh, this looks so luxurious. It's got a beautiful gold zip down the back. It's like a lovely like satin material. It's a bit wrinkly. Oh my gosh guys, it has pockets. Oh my gosh, that brings me so much joy. There's a lot of fabric going on, but I think it will look good once I put it on my body. It's got a really flattering high waist and a lovely V neckline, and I thought this would be really good for either little parties or maybe work if I have some meetings and I want to look a little more dressy. So very excited to try that on. Let's do that. Okay, this one definitely needs a little bit of an iron. It's a bit rumpled, but check out those pockets once again. Love this dress. I think the color is really beautiful. It's very vibrant. I like the tie. I think it's really flattering around my waist. I think I could wear it with either white sneakers or like black stilettos, depending what sort of occasion that I'm going to. Double thumbs up from me on this one. Okay, so this next bright item isn't from Closet London. It was a bit of an impulse buy and it was on sale for $20. And it's made of my favorite fabric. It's like an organza kind of see-through look, and it's a top, very quite bold. But I do have an organza blouse similar that's white and I love it. I wear it all the time, so I figured I'd give this one a whirl. Okay, I know this top isn't going to be everybody's taste. If you're not into fashion, you won't be into the craziness of this. But I kind of love it. I love the fun, long, oversized sleeves. That's quite trendy at the moment. And I feel like I need a nicer singlet to go underneath it. But this is just what I've styled it with for the video. And yes, it's a little bit crazy. I don't blame you if you hate it, but I think it's fun. I think I'm going to open up this package next because it has a pair of shoes in it. This was the one thing I got that wasn't on sale, but I've been really good at saving for 2017 and I'd hit all my goals with saving and had cut down on my clothing shopping a lot for the year, so I decided to treat myself over the Christmas holiday period. Again, these are a little bit crazy, so brace yourself. Oh, they're all wrapped in tissue paper. One moment. Oh, cute! It comes with a little dust bag for your shoes. Oh my goodness. There they are. I've taken all of the packaging off them now. They're like a satin little kitten heel with a big blingy decal there. If you guys watch my vlogs, you know that I've been having heaps of issues with my knees, so I can't really wear heels anymore. But I was like, oh, these are just a little heel, so I decided to treat myself. They might be more of like a party shoe, you know, slip these on for like an hour and then move on to flat shoes, but I love these. Oh my gosh. This item is a lot more sophisticated. I imagine wearing it to the office. It is a navy pencil skirt. Wow, it looks quite large. I hope that fits me. And again, this is from Closet London, and I quite liked it because it has like an interesting frill down the front. You'll be able to see it better when I try it on. But yeah, I thought that was something quite simple and quite, you know, business-like, but then a little bit of like a fashionable twist to it. So I've styled it with this really simple white t-shirt. You could definitely be more formal, maybe like a button-up blouse, but I think this would be really good for the office just because of, again, the length. And I really love the navy color as well. The frill, I feel like on the side, it kind of makes you look a little bit wider in the hips, but I still really like it. I think it's nice, and I think I'm a little bit obsessed with frills at the moment because this is like my third frilled item. Frilled? You know what I mean. I'm boiling hot right now, so I'm very glad that I am on to the last item in the bag. You can see even through the plastic, this is going to be another crazy looking typical Ellen item. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I found this first on the Asos website in a cream color, and it's basically a tutu if you can tell already, and the cream color reminded me so much of the Carrie Bradshaw tutu in Sex and the City. Then I saw the grey and it was on sale for like a ridiculous amount. I think I got it for like $40 and it was full price like over $100. Oh, there's some tissue paper. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to wear this to work on Monday. I cannot wait to try this on. I need to try this on right now. My inner child is very happy with this skirt right now. I'm obsessed with it. It's so poofy and twirly. There's so many layers. This is like the perfect adult tutu. I love it. It's totally my style. I'm definitely going to wear it a lot. It comes with this cute little ribbon belt, and then the skirt has little loops on the side here, so you can do sort of like interesting woven crisscrossing with the ribbon. I've just tied it up in a bow at the front because I think that's pretty cute, and I've paired it with just a simple black singlet because I think the skirt is the real star of the show here. You could definitely style it with a different belt if this isn't your style, but I'm obsessed. I think this is my favorite thing of the haul. It feels great. So that was everything in my Asos haul. I really hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion videos. Let me know what your favorite item was down below in the comments. My bed is like very messy right now. Why does Asos have so much packaging? Oh my goodness. This is gonna take me a while to clean up, but totally worth it. I've been waiting for those clothes for weeks. Oh, so excited. That's a good wardrobe refresh for the new year. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!